Hey guys, welcome back to Hustlers platform. I am Pooja. Today we will going to see what is typecasting in Java. Typecasting is nothing but conversion of one data type into another data type. Let's have an example. Here we store value of price into double data type which is 100. Then we have variable total where we store price plus 18% GST. Then output will be 118.0. Next, we have variable price, store the value of price into integer data type. Then we add price plus GST. Here program will be executed, but we have an error which is casting because integer data type can't store value of float. Let's have a real life example. Here we have bucket and glass. If we pour the water of glass into bucket, then it store completely. But we store water of bucket into glass, then it's get overflow. Because the capacity of glass is smaller than bucket. That's why here is loss of water. In this way, we store float value into double data type because the size of double is larger. But we can't store float value into integer data type because the size of integer is small to store float value. Here we face loss of information. To avoid this problem, we have an option which is typecasting. Let's see chats. Here we have chats that result in no loss of information. This is valid conversion from byte to short, char, integer, long, float, double. From short to integer, long, float, double. From char to integer, long, float, double. From int to long, float, double. From long to float, double. And from float to double. Let's see all about casting. Syntax of casting. Type variable 1 equal to type variable 2. There are two types of casting. First one is implicit casting and second one is explicit casting. First we see implicit casting. Implicit casting, also called as widening typecasting. In implicit typecasting, Java automatically converts one data type into another one. Let's have an example. Here we store value of num into integer data type. Then print the value of num. The output will be 10. But in next, we store num1 into double. Then print it. It gives output 10.0 because we store integer value into double. Hence, it gets 0.0. Now, see the explicit casting. Explicit casting, also called as narrowing typecasting. Explicit casting does not convert itself. We use parentheses to convert it. Let's have an example. Here we store num into double and print it. The output will be 10.10 as same as input. But in next, we store num1 into integer. But we perform here explicit casting. Hence, output will be only 10 because integer cut the value after point. Hope you understand what is typecasting. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.